Amazon's reInvent is a learning conference hosted by Amazon Web Services for the global cloud computing community. The in-person event, held annually in Las Vegas, Nevada, features keynote announcements, training and certification opportunities, access to over 1,500 technical sessions, the expo, after-hours events, and so much more. If you identify as a geek or a nerd and you've not attended reInvent, you might want to reevaluate your purpose in life. This video will outline just a few of the noteworthy announcements from the 2021 event. For more information on the topics discussed in this video, scan the associated QR code located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. In 2019, Amazon acquired Israeli disaster recovery startup Cloud Endure. That same year, we published an acclaimed video that outlined why disaster recovery planning is critical to both large and small businesses alike, and how our strategy for developing an effective disaster recovery plan covers the items necessary to achieve business continuity at the lowest possible cost. If you've not seen that video, click on the above link or scan the QR code at the top right corner of this screen. The new Amazon Elastic Disaster Recovery Service aims to minimize downtime and data loss with fast, reliable recovery of on-premises and cloud-based applications, using affordable storage, minimal compute, and point-in-time recovery. Amazon's Elastic Disaster Recovery Service will certainly aid customers in their implementations of disaster recovery solutions for many years to come. Amazon's Amplify Studio is a visual development environment in Amazon Amplify that lets developers easily build and ship complete web and mobile apps in hours instead of weeks. With Amplify Studio, you can quickly build an app backend, create rich user interface components, and connect the UI to the backend with minimal coding. Amplify Studio exports all UI and infrastructure artifacts as code, so that you can maintain complete control over your app design and behavior. Amplify Console offers a simple Git-based workflow for building and deploying static web apps to Amazon Web Services. It only takes 15 minutes to connect your repository, configure build settings, and deploy. Amazon has released version 2 of the Amazon Web Services Cloud Development Kit, an open-source framework that simplifies working with cloud resources using familiar programming languages, such as C#, TypeScript, Java, Python, and Go. Within their applications, developers create and configure cloud resources using reusable types called constructs, which they use just as they would any other types in their chosen language. It's also possible to write custom constructs, which can then be shared across teams and organizations. One of the biggest announcements during reInvent 2021 was the new Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud M1 Mac Instances for macOS, which will deliver up to 60% better price performance over x86-based EC2 Mac instances for iOS and macOS application build workloads. Customers will enjoy the same elasticity, scalability, and reliability that Amazon's secure on-demand infrastructure has offered to millions of customers for more than a decade. Customers re-architecting their macOS applications to natively support ARM64 architecture on Apple's System on Chip can now enjoy faster builds with bare metal performance and convenient distributed testing without having to procure, install, manage, patch, and upgrade physical build infrastructure. I can't wait to start developing iOS applications on Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud M1 Mac Instances. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, you know what to do. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of
Wow, how'd you code that?